We're here at the PPMA show. I'm Stella from Automation Magazine, and we're talking to Lamonde Automation and Duncan, who'll tell us a little bit more about his company, what they do, how they do it, and what's next. Duncan.
Hi Stella, thanks for coming by our stand. Lamonde Automation started 41 years ago as a distributor and a peripheral manufacturer for Texas Instruments PLCs. So 41 years later, we don't do the Texas stuff anymore, but we're now a distributor for Wayne Tech, Automation Direct, Control Techniques, Patlite, and various other suppliers. So on our stand today, we have products from all of our main suppliers.
Do you do your own equipment and your own systems, or you act only purely as a distributor?
We are a distributor. We like to add value with the level of support we give, which is what we get the most feedback about is the quality of our support and our response times for support queries.
And who are you seeing here today? What you're showing? Can you tell us a little bit more about it, please?
Okay, so this big tree we've got here is showing a number of things. It's showing the support arm system from Technicolor, it's showing the enclosures from Technicolor, it's showing the Wayne Tech HMIs. Around the other side we've got some PLCs on show. So it's showing a more broad range of our products. And on another display we have a drive from Control Techniques, we have routers from Teltonica giving us connectivity to the cloud.
So how have the trends been around PLCs? What do you see the future holding for these devices?
Well, PLCs have had a long history, and they will continue to do so. What we're seeing more of now is people looking to program in more like Arduino, so to program more a kind of code level rather than ladder logic. We're also seeing trends towards a hunger for data. Everyone wants data. You know, data is extremely valuable. It lets you fine-tune your processes, optimize your efficiency or OEE by just really kind of ironing out all the crinkles in your processes, finding out where the blockages are in your systems, and it's really powerful. Data is so powerful, and it's something we're being asked for all the time. How do we data log? How do we publish to the cloud? How do we send out email alarms? So we get involved in all those sort of things on a support level, and show our customers how they can implement it. And because we're not brand specific, we like to offer the best solution from the brands that we have available rather than being on one brand.
So does that mean you also have certain training programs perhaps? Do you run any particular webinars, anything specific to allow customers to learn about these products and also how to implement them in their systems?
Most of our support is actually done over the phone or by email. Training is one of those things, we do offer training, but it's generally very bespoke because everyone's needs are different. I actually did a teacher training degree, so I come from a teaching background. And unlike, say, for example, in a school, we don't have to structure it around a curriculum. We can actually just deliver what's needed. So we tend to do that either on customer sites, which I deliver, or sometimes in our facility in Crawley.
You mentioned a few companies that you're working with. Are there any others you'd like to forge relationships with?
Well, we're currently starting to work with Vargo. Now, Vargo supply PLCs. They also supply some other interesting connection systems. A lot of electricians, for example, use Vargo connectors in household wiring installations, but they also do control panel terminals. So we're starting to work with Vargo as well.
Anything else you're seeing in the market at the moment you're trying to address?
Well, there's been a few people talking about AI lately, and obviously this is on trend. We haven't really seen it hit automation as such as yet, but it will come. There will be a point in time where people will be asking some sort of AI to write programs for them, things like that, which I think is already happening on a software point of view, but I've not seen anyone do a PLC programming with AI just yet.
Thank you very much, Duncan. So that's Duncan of Lamonde Automation. Thank you and have a good show.